Hey everybody, today we're going to review this 2-ton scissor jack, so come on with me, let's jump into this review. First things first, let's get it out of the box. The jack and all the accessories that come with it fit right into this nice carrying case, so makes it super convenient for storing it out of the way and keeping everything together. Let's take a look at what comes in the bag. Here's the scissor jack. Ratchet tool. And there's your lug wrench. Comes with some instructions. Super simple. So the pickup height on this is 4 3/8 inches low, all the way up to 16.5 inches high. Here we've got your ratchet, fits right on the end here, and just stick it right on there. Here we go. And up it goes. So you can see that it's coming up, and if you want to ratchet that, when you get it up here and it's getting hard to come up, it just ratchets right up. So, and that'll come all the way up to 16.5 inches. And weight-wise, it's going to handle 2 tons or 44,009 pounds. Here's the lug wrench that it comes with. Let's take it out of there and take a peek at that. So it comes with 4 different sizes of lug wrenches. Here you've got the 21 millimeter and a 25 millimeter socket. And then here you've got a 17 and 19, and they just flip around. Here's the 19 side, here's the 17. Here's your wrench. It'll just pop into whichever side you're not using. And then it's telescoping, so you can get more leverage on it. Pop right off. Go with one of the larger sizes, pop it right on. Let's take it outside and put it to the test. Here's your lug wrench. Figure out which side fits. Pop it on there. Give yourself some torque. Get her set on. Pop it in place and just pop it. So there you go for removing the lug nuts. Very nice. And again, stores right inside the packet. Nice. Let's jack it up. Okay, we've got the jack placed underneath the axle. We've got the ratchet on there, and we're just going to go ahead and start lifting it up. Couldn't be any easier. Very easy to lift up. And we're off the ground. Super easy. And then if you want to let it down, we just reverse that and we can bring it down. One-handed, no problem. And out it comes. Once you're done, you can see everything fits right back into the carrying case. You can zip that up, and then like on a trailer like this, just throw that right in your tongue box and you're ready to go. That's your 2-ton scissor jack.